Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can get paid by just participating in research studies. Oh yes, you can see the same thing written on my screen here. That is what I'm going to guide you step by step. So you have to watch this video until the end for you to understand how it works. So guys, if this is the first time you're on my channel watching my video, kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for keeping it here. Then again, new subscribers, you are welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please make sure you like the video, and you can also share with your friends who are interested in the same thing, like how to make money online, because that is what we do on this channel. So guys, let's get started. So the name of the site that I'm sharing with you is Respondant, as you can see on my screen. So I'm just going to guide you through how it works or how to do your task, because we have different tasks and every day you have to check on the kind of task you have on your profile. It will depend with the profile your own profile, so what you are interested in and your skills or your what you like to do on Respondant. So let's get started guys. So as you can see, it's written, get paid to participate in research studies, find paid user research opportunity topics you care about, get paid to share feedback and influence the next generation of products and services. So it's so simple guys, and something that you really need after registering, of which I'm going to drop the link of this site on the description of the video, and again I'm going to pin it on the comment section. So after watching the video, you just go to the description of the video, you'll get the link down there. You tap on it, it will direct you direct here. So after that, you're going to create your account. I think creating account is so simple. You just need your email address, your name, username, then your surname, that is the last one. Then again you set your password, then you'll be done. So you log into your account, then you'll be able to set your profile. So let's go in. I'm going to log into my account so that I show you what is required and how to set your profile. So guys, if you tap on get started, then we have two options. Do you want to be a researcher or you want to be a participant? So these are the difference. You can see the two of them are on the screen. So here, the account that you are going to create on this specific site is, you want to be a participant. If you are a company looking for people who can do research for you, then you pay them, then you'll tap on researcher. But you who wants to make money, you will be a participant. You want to earn money by participating in user research. So you are going to create account. You are going to tap on participant. Yeah, my network is so slow, so we just have to bear with it, guys. Let's wait. My network is a little bit slow today. I don't know why. It's too. Okay, guys, you see, okay, I've created this account, and you can see the profile is not 100%. The profile strength is not 100%. You can still perform tasks with the less strength profile, but the more the strength or the stronger the profile is, the more the task with good payment. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So before you get started, after registering for an account on Respondant, please make sure that your profile is complete up to here. Make sure it is complete. How do you make it complete? Add and verify your work email. So if you're working and you're having work email, you are going to verify it. So you'll just tap on verify here, and they will send you a link on that email for you to verify that specific email address or account. So if you don't have one, you just create one. Again, you have to add your LinkedIn. You can see right here, you add your LinkedIn account. So if you have LinkedIn account, you just tap add LinkedIn. If you don't have LinkedIn account, kindly go and create one so that you can connect it with your Respondant account. So the reason why they want you to add this is it helps researchers to verify your identity and increase your chances of being selected for projects. So anytime if your account is fully is full 100% or is strong fully, like you've put all the requirement things on your profile, you'll get more projects and it will make it easier for researchers to pick you among the other applicants. So it will be so easy for you to get more work or more task. Again, you can also add personal video introduction. You can just record yourself like within 15 seconds talking about yourself, your name, where you're from. Like something so simple, just record one. So for me, after this, I'm just doing this for tutorial purposes, but after this, I'm going to do all those required things. So you record a video. You don't need to record a long video. I think 15-second video is enough. And again, update employment information. So you can also update here whether you are employed, part-time, full-time, or you are self-employed or you are not. So you can just update it right here. So if you update it, they are telling you that if you update your employment information, then list your job functions to be better candidate for industry professional projects. Yeah, so guys, then right here is where you'll be getting notifications, maybe when you are approved or you are selected to a specific project, to work on a specific project, you'll get notifications here. Or maybe if they need anything, you always get notifications right there. So guys, you can scroll down here. We have where you can search, you can filter, and you can sort according to, I think, the day they were or the time they were updated on the site. So you can see right there. So you can use filter to filter the kind of task or project you want to apply for, and wait, you can apply Jesus Christ, apply. You can apply as many as you can, because if you apply one then wait for verification from the researcher or recruiter, it might take time. So you apply even 5 tasks or 5 jobs. You just apply as many as you can that particular time, according to what you got under your under jobs that specific day. So you can see right here, you can see 5 days. This one it was posted like 5 days ago, 60 minutes one-on-one, then also remote. So you can do it remote or one-on-one. So you can see guys, international currency exchange. Again, we have, which is paying $250 upon completion. So when they select you for this specific project right here, they will pay you $250 according to the project instructions. So guys, imagine just one thing, you do it remotely. You do it remotely at your comfort zone. Then they pay you that amount. Then again, you apply for another one. Luckily, you are selected too. You get paid $75 per that, according to that project instructions. You can see right here, the second one, looking for people affected by thyroid eye disease. So if you are one of them, you apply for it, then wait for the researcher or recruiter. Is it whichever? Yeah, you understand what I'm trying to say. The recruiter, if they see that you fit, you are fitting for the job, they will notify you so that you can start working on that specific project. So upon completion, they will reward you or pay you that given amount according to that specific project instruction or requirement. So you can see another one after that is paying $350. You can do it remote or one-on-one. So try to find medical professional. If you're one of them and you're watching this video, or your sister or your brother or your cousin, your niece, nephew, grandmother, grandfather is one of them, you can share with them so that they can participate and get paid. As simple as that. Yeah, some of you, watching this video, your grandmother or grandfather is still young. No? Yeah, they're still young. They're still young, not old as mine. Some of them are even dead. So, if you're lucky enough to have yours and still young, you can share with them. So another one, we have seeking stablecoin specialist. Your stablecoin that deals with cryptocurrency or cryptocurrency. So if you know about that, interested, just upon it, apply, wait for the recruiter. If they select you, you'll be good to go. Then another one is paying 20. Calling all football fans. If you are a fan of football, like me, if you like football, you are a fan of football, you apply for this specific project, they'll pay you $20. Then this one too is seeking feedback for sporting event experience. Yeah. So the same thing, you can apply and get your $125 if you are selected to perform that task. Again, we have another one paying $125, seeking feedback on Duke student. I don't know whether it's Duke, Jack, or whatever. It will depend with where you are coming from. So for me, I will read it as Duke. Student job internship hunt. So if you're one of them, or that specific project is like you can do it. This one is Vamos whatever. I'm not I don't know that language. So looking for medical students. Yeah, we have many projects. It will appear according to your interest, your profile. Then every day there'll be tasks. So just make sure you log into your Respondant account. This is working everywhere in the world, I guess. USA, yeah, they work too. They it's working there too. So you don't have any excuse not to join this specific site to make some extra dollars. So guys, at this point, I hope I'm well understood, and at least point is at home. Whatever I wanted to deliver is at home. And somebody somewhere has listened so well and have learned something, and they are about to start registering, or they are now looking for the link to register. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed and you've watched until this time, please subscribe. Yeah, why not subscribe? I still have more to bring here. So like the video, share with your friends who are interested in the same thing or the same niche. Again, you can comment down below. Excuse me. So guys, I've come to the end of the video. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye for now.